You have 5 seconds. 5 seconds to capture someone's attention before they scroll on. In the endless digital feed, that's your entire window. But what if you could use that window not just to entertain, but to build a powerful, persuasive argument? This is the world of the video essay. The formal essay has officially left the page. Combining academic rigor with the visual flair of a documentary, the video essay is the new frontier of advocacy. It's not a personal vlog, it's a structured argument designed for edutainment, that sweet spot where education and entertainment meet. Building one starts with the script, but you're not writing for the eye, you're writing for the ear. This means conversational language, shorter sentences, and clear verbal cues or signposts to guide your listener, because they can't simply reread a line. Then you add the visual layer. A simple talking head won't cut it. You need B-roll, secondary footage that illustrates what you're saying. If you are discussing a film, you show clips from that film. This creates a visual rhythm, keeping the audience's eyes busy while their ears are learning. But this power is a double-edged sword. In a video, your credibility, your ethos, is tied to your persona. You don't build trust with a PhD, but with deep research and obvious passion. Audiences value authenticity. That means being transparent, citing your sources, and representing complex issues fairly. Because a video is so persuasive, it can be a tool for disinformation just as easily as for advocacy. True advocacy isn't about winning an argument with cheap tricks. It's about using this global stage wisely, ethically, and loudly.